Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your AdSense account and heading straight to Payments. Once there, make sure your payments profile is complete. Name, tax form, and billing address must match your bank. Then choose Add Payment Method and enter your bank or card details exactly as on file to avoid mismatches. This step is necessary so Google can associate funds with your profile. Make sure to save the method and proceed to verification without skipping anything. After adding details, verify your method. Google sends microdeposits or a small code to your card, so check your statement and enter the amounts. Once verified, return to Payments and set that method as primary. If you have several, rearrange priority. Next, review payment threshold and schedule. This controls when Google releases funds to you. Doing this now prevents delays and ensures future payouts land where you expect without manual intervention. Finally, if you need funds transferred immediately, go to Manage Payments and request a payout when the option appears. Otherwise, wait for the automatic payout at your threshold. Monitor transactions to confirm processing and expected arrival times. If a payment fails, first recheck your bank details, currency compatibility, and verification status. Incorrect name formatting or unverified microdeposits are common causes. If problems persist, contact Google Payments support with transaction ID and screenshots to resolve the hold quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.